Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Verdie. I am a self-taught nail enthusiast and small business owner. On this channel, you'll get to see DIY videos. I use acrylic, poly gel, and sometimes builder gel. And I also do product reviews and haul videos. So if this sounds interesting, make sure you subscribe. So let's get into today's video. Okay, so this is going to be an acrylic swatching video if you couldn't tell from the title. The acrylic that I got is Glitterbels Acrylic, and these were all purchased from the Nail Throne. I will leave the link to the store down below. The owner of that store is Sarah's Nail Secret. She is on YouTube, and her store is in Canada, but the shipping isn't extremely high. It's pretty normal shipping times. I didn't experience any additional shipping cost or shipping delays from it being in Canada. So I just quickly wanted to say that. So the first color that I am swatching is Queen Bee. And I was looking for a highlighter yellow, so I think I found it. So that search can stop. The rest of the acrylics I'm swatching are glitter acrylics. This one is called MAKARTT. And you guys want to make sure that before you use your acrylics, especially when you just buy them, because you don't know how long they've been sitting, make sure that you give it a stir. That way you can get the right consistency. Make sure that if anything has separated, you're just mixing it back together. I do have these little small mixers available on my website, and that link is also down below. The monomer that I'm swatching with is from E.Den's Rose Co. And I'll also link that down below with my discount code. And this monomer, this monomer is kind of like a medium odor monomer. I've used it with E.Den's Rose acrylic, and now I'm using it with this acrylic, and I am loving this monomer so far. This next color that I'm swatching is Chunky Graphite. And this is a really chunky glitter. Really chunky, but the thing that I liked about this one is I was able to get that layer thin, and I was able to get the glitters flat. So you should have no problem encapsulating this glitter at all. The other thing that I really appreciated while I was swatching everything is this wasn't clogging up my brush. So I really appreciated that too. Obviously, when you use glitter, you're going to have glitter left over in your brush, but my brush wasn't clogged up. It wasn't sticky and chunky or anything like that. It was pretty easy to clean out. So the acrylic base that is used for this acrylic is pretty good quality. So I just wanted to also state that. And then the brush that I'm using is a size 12 brush from Dipped in Pretty. The last time I checked, she was still sold out of these brushes. This color is Prince Crush, and it has like a slight mint undertone to it. It's a little bit more visible in person without all the lights, but it's really pretty. So I wanted this one because I love mint, and it's spring, so you're gonna see a lot of mint nails from me. Like, I don't know why, but that's like a color that I just love on my nails. So I really like this glitter, and that again is called Prince Crush. And what I'm gonna do in the description box is list all of the acrylics that I'm swatching today in the order that I'm swatching. So if you miss a name or whatever, that is in the description box below. And here I'm just putting it side by side with MAKARTT. I was kind of hoping you would see more of that mint color, but I think because of the lights, it wasn't really picking up on it. It was kind of washing it out a little bit. This color next that I'm swatching is Savannah. And I love all the colors that I picked out. I was just mainly looking for my highlighter yellow color, and then I was also looking for some more glitter acrylics. I don't know if you guys follow Glitterbels or the Nail Throne on Instagram, but they do a lot of swatch videos. So I'll see some colors that I like, and then when I'm ready to order, I just go through their Instagram and then just watch through all of their swatch videos and then just pick my colors that way. So again, I really like their glitter acrylics, and I really like the fact that my brush isn't like all junky and like clogged up. So I know I said that before, but I wanted to reiterate. Anyways, I hope you guys do like these swatch videos. I know a lot of people on my channel like to see more poly gel videos or builder gel videos. I know that's what I get asked for a lot, but I really, really like working with acrylic. And I don't know, since I've figured out the smell part of acrylic, I really like working with acrylic. So if you guys just let me know in the comments down below, like, what's the thing with acrylic? Why don't you like working with acrylic? Is it the monomer? Is it the process? Is it the technique? Just let me know, and then hopefully I can do some more videos that can kind of help you out a little bit with acrylic. But keep in mind, like, I'm not a perfectionist. I'm just an enthusiast. So, you know, I can just show you whatever techniques I've learned so far. This color that I'm swatching now is called Strawberry Lip Gloss. So it just has a slight shimmer. Well, not a slight. It has a shimmer to it. So it's not really a hugely glittered acrylic, but I still think it's pretty. This color now is called Pink Crush. And I absolutely love this color and the next one that I'm swatching. I'm also going to do at the end of the video is the nail set that I'm wearing right now. I do have a video for that, so I will link that in the cards above. But what I end up doing is testing out one of these glitters as dip powder. So make sure that you continue watching so that you can see that process. So again, this color is Pink Crush. And the next color that I'm going to swatch is Hot Crush. Here are all the swatches, and the first one is Queen Bee, Prince Crush. Then we have Michaela, Chunky Graphite, Savannah, Strawberry Lip Gloss. Then we have Pink Crush and Hot Crush. So I really, really, really love these glitter acrylics. I cannot stress enough. And this brand is actually really affordable. So I would definitely check it out if you're looking for good quality, good prices, and then the shipping cost weren't too much, especially it being a Canadian company. So I would definitely check out Nail Throne. And this is not sponsored. All of these products were paid for. These are just products products I've used before and repurchased and really, really enjoy. So what I did was I went ahead and took off that design off my nails. That was my attempt at swirl nails. Check out the video if you guys are interested in that. It was linked in the cards above, but that's part of my Verdie's Nude Again series. So I'm just going in. I didn't take off all the dip powder from before. I just kind of filed it down to a pretty thin layer. Kind of thin layer, not super thin. And I'm just going in with my liquids from Young Nails. These are their Slick Pour liquids. I only do one dip in the glitter. I feel like that's all that's necessary. I don't want the nail too bulky. Then I just go in and dip it in clear acrylic. And I'm using my Mia Secret clear acrylic, but you can use clear dip powder, clear acrylic, whatever you really want to use. I was just using my Mia Secret because I don't really work with it anymore. So I was like, I'll just use it for my glitter dips. And then I'm going to brush off the dust and then just go in with 2 coats of the activator. After that, I'm going to shape and file the nails. So using this as a dip, I did like, because I did get that glitter to stay really flat. And also it didn't add too much bulk to the nails. So it was pretty easy to file them. I didn't have a lot of bumps or lumps. And that's also because of the foundation you start with. Like, one of the things I've learned with dip nails is whatever's underneath is going to show up. So when you're doing dip, it's not like acrylic or polygel where you can kind of fill in those bumps and lumps with more product. Dip, you kind of have to work with a smooth surface if you want to avoid lumps and bumps in your nail. So that's just something that I've picked up over time. And then one thing that I've recently learned is when I'm applying the liquids to kind of have the brush flat against the nail the entire process. Before, I was just brushing with the tip of the brush. So that's something that I've learned. And I think I was watching a video by Young Nails when I saw how Tracy was applying it. I think that's where I saw that. It was either Tracy or Marla Chris. Marla Chris, if you guys aren't familiar, she's on YouTube and she does a lot of dip videos. So I think that's most of the videos that she does, and she does some really cute designs. So it was either Marla or Tracy where I saw that. So I am going to go ahead and go in now with my top coat. And this is a top coat from E.Den's Rose, and it's a stainless steel top coat. So again, I will link E.Den's Rose down below as well as my discount code. And one of the things that I do like about this top coat is I still have these nails on when I'm doing the voiceover for this. So it's been about a week that I've had these nails. One of the things that I like about this top coat is it stays shiny. So if you're hard on your nails, like I am, if you use your hands a lot, it does stay shiny, and I really, really, really like that top coat. So I will be using that more in upcoming videos. And now I'm putting some of my cuticle oil that's available in my store on my rusty, dusty hands. The link for my store is down below as well. And this is how the nails turned out. So I think it's a little cute set. So I'm ready for some long nails. I'm about tired of these short nails. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, I appreciate you guys spending your time with me. And I'll see everybody again. I'll see everybody back again soon for another video.